You're looking at about $640 worth of 8-quarter maple. This is also maple. This is magnolia. I've got a bunch of 5-quarter magnolia. And this is going to be that. Look on YouTube, Third Coast Craftsman breadboard and trestle table. And you'll see it. Basically, it's a farmhouse table made with heavy timbers in a timber framing fashion with 0 metal. Hey everybody, my name is Frank. Should I even do the intro right now? I don't want to waste a really good monologue. Hey everybody, my name's Frank and we're in my workshop. This is my friend the critic. I used to serve in the Marine Corps. The table in the project was built from September through October and November of 2019. It's the Thanksgiving table. The deadline was Thanksgiving Day 2019. The table was completed the day before on Wednesday. That is a pretty good photo finish, if I do say so myself. And what you'll see in this video is really just me making the table. You're going to see me doing this in pretty much real time. You know, I don't want to use fancy editing. But mostly you'll just see how incredibly awesome I am at doing things like making tables. Okay, full disclosure, I have a really weird sense of humor and you're not always going to know when I'm joking, so get used to it. This is just going to be the way it is. I'll try to be true. Let me know if it really sucks, but you know, be gentle. And this is really not working out. I'm going to have to start over. Hang on a second. Hey everybody, I hope that little opening credit scene got a laugh out of one or two of you. My name is Frank and welcome to the magic of video editing, where you can film footage of a project built in September, October, and November of 2019, wait almost a full year, and then film an intro to that video in August 2020. Anyway, as I already said, my name's Frank. This is my friend the critic. I used to serve in the United States Marine Corps, and 3 years ago now, when I moved to Georgia, my wife said, you have to build me a big giant table. And I said, cool, I've always wanted to build one of those. She said, yeah, you're gonna build it for me, like right now. And then 2 years later, I finished it just in time for Thanksgiving of last year. And literally right up to the last minute, I mean the last day, not the last minute, the last day before Thanksgiving, Wednesday, whatever day that was last year. So the video or the footage that you're gonna see is me working pretty much at my normal pace. And you know, you'll see date and time stamps, which I think are interesting to kind of show the real true progress of this particular project and probably other projects that I do. Because I don't know about you guys, but when I've seen a lot of these kinds of videos in the past of all of my favorite internet creators, makers, woodworkers, you know, what have you, all the DIY videos I like to watch, a lot of times they don't really give you a true sense of the time it took to build a certain project. Now I know some guys just go through like a project a week because, you know, that's the pace that they work at and they're full-time content creators. I'm not. I have a job outside of doing this. The purpose of my particular style, I think in future videos, is going to be to show you a real life representation of what goes into making any particular thing, doing any particular activity that I think is worth filming and sharing with all of you out there in the world of YouTube. Anyway, this is my epic Thanksgiving farmhouse tale.